What's going on, guys? Ross here. For the past 3 weeks, I've been testing Google's new free AI tools, thinking they would be another useless hype. To my surprise, not only did they work very well, but 7 of them actually outperformed paid alternatives that cost $20 to $50 per month. And if you're trying to start an online business or you're just trying to make money online, burning through cash in monthly software subscriptions can be the difference between win or lose. So let me show you how you can actually win using these Google AI tools and how to set them up. And before we dive in, guys, I'm someone who has made multiple 6 and 7 figures doing online business. I also am currently making about $3,000 per week with digital courses and digital products. So what I'm trying to say is I'm not trying to brag about, but I'm someone who is constantly looking for new ways to bring more money to my household. That being said, we're starting up with the first Google AI tool, which is Illuminate. You can go to illuminate.google.com. This is a pretty cool and handy tool, and it actually transforms your content, whatever that might be, into AI-generated audio discussions. I'm going to transcribe a PDF article into audio with instructions. Because we want to make money, we want to be very specific. I'm going to go to people who are handy DIYers. And I'm going to go to a website called instructables.com. Here I can click projects, and I can find variety of projects. Golf club with laser marking. This is a good topic, so let's click it. Copy the URL, how to decorate golf clubs with laser marking. So copy that, we're gonna paste this URL. And as you can see, I don't know if you saw it, we have a lot of instructions here how to do that. But in Illuminate, I'm gonna paste this article. My audio is being generated now, and keep in mind, this is a very authentic podcast-like audio between 2 AI hosts. And there we have it. So I'm gonna play the audio to see how it sounds.
Today, we're diving into the world of customization, specifically how to decorate golf clubs using laser marking. It sounds pretty high-tech.
All right, so as you can see, it's pretty good. The quality is amazing. So how do we use it to make money? The best thing is to actually ask the AI to tell you how to make money. I have Gemini here. It tells me a bunch of ways, niche research, or I can do a premium research newsletter, or B2B white page paper to audio service, or I can do educational study sites. I'm usually an affiliate marketer. One of the easiest way is to actually upload this podcast on YouTube. And as you can see, I've already typed here how to decorate golf clubs with laser marking. We can see there are a lot of videos about that. So you can upload this instructional podcast in here and fill it with your affiliate links. You can use this as an add-on to your, let's say, course or digital product. Let's say you have a digital product, which is just an ebook. Well, you can offer an audiobook variant. Coming up next is the Google beta tool, which is the AI search mode for Google searches. To access it, you can click this beaker icon here at the top right corner, Search Labs, AI mode. So click try AI mode. So I'm going to type here how to start an online business. Go to click AI mode. And check this out, guys. This is the new Google console. It doesn't only search for links, it actually gives you context. So starting an online business is a process of turning a niche idea into a structured, legal, and visible entity. So it's all about the niche. Everywhere I go, it sees like the niche and the topic is the most important thing. Not only it gives us the results with like context, but it also gives us the sites, the sources that Google is sourcing information from. I actually have this saved here in my left sidebar. So it is like an AI chat that saves my results. Later on, I can come back and actually start researching more. I can even follow up here. I'm going to ask another question. What if I want to create a digital ebook and start selling it? How should I do that? And boom, just like that, we have a follow-up question. I'm going to hit enter. And Google is thinking, and now it's going to start searching on another web sources or more web sources. We can see them on the right side. And again, it's going to summarize everything that it found right here in front of us. This is very powerful. You can use it for affiliate marketing, for product research, for statistical engineering, or for even SEO. Whatever questions you might have, this is the way to go nowadays. Don't just use Google the old way from 2025. 2026, you use Google the smart way because it gives you context, it gives you more information. Our tool number 3 is actually connected to Google search, which is gemini.google.com. And probably you've already used that. This is the Google alternative to ChatGPT, but this time this is a little bit more powerful. And there's an option called deep research. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this, but what it does is thinks a lot more. It goes deeper into the topic you have provided. And I'm just going to show you an example. To access this deep search mode, you click this agents icon right here, which is the filter icon, and then you click the mode deep research. And here I'm going to ask it to research new AI tools with affiliate programs launched in the last 3 months. Find ones with low competition, because I want to be first. I want to have a blue ocean of new offers and new softwares to promote. This is the context that it gives me, and it asks me for approval. I'm going to click start the research. And just like that, guys, our AI tools research plan overview is conducted, and we can see all the information we need. We need performance metrics, traditional approach. We have all the data necessary to be profitable. I actually have this, which is very good. We have a commission structure. It gives us even formulas to calculate our earnings, commission rates, and traffic sources. It gives us all the resources it used to conduct this research. So it is very powerful. Tool number 4 is AI Test Kitchen withgoogle.com. What we want to click is this music FX. So launch music, click this button. This, guys, is a royalty-free music AI generator. So if you're a content creator, or if you're using YouTube videos, or you're creating YouTube videos for clients, you can create a royalty-free music, so you don't have to pay for, let's say, Artlist, which is like 50 bucks a month. You can actually have everything for free. And on the other hand, you can resell this music pack for $20 to $30 per pack on Gumroad. The best part is that you have to just describe what you want to hear, and the AI will do it. I'm going to say upbeat electronic music, modern tech vibe, 120 BPMs, which is beats per minute. This can be used for background music, or for B-roll music, or for effects for a video, or a TikTok reel, or TikTok video, or a reel on Instagram. And just like that, it's ready. So let's hear it. Guys, this is amazing. This sounds very professional. It sounds like a very legitimate DJ producer. And you can download them, use them without copyright strikes in any of your creatives, videos, or content. Tool number 5 from Google, guys. One of my favorite tools, by the way. It's Learn About. A very amazing tool. This is basically a portal like Skillshare or Udemy, but it's free. You don't have to pay money. It teaches you whatever topic you want, either surfing, skateboarding, or in our case, I'm going to say, let's say I want to learn about Facebook advertising. So I'm going to say, teach me how to do Facebook advertising for affiliate marketing. You can interact with this as your learning platform. I can click tab to review. There we go. Stop thinking. I can click and actually see how the niche is pronounced. So let's hear it. Niche. So some people say niche, some people say niche. I like to say niche. I think it's depending on if you're in the UK or the US or Australia. But then it gives me related content, and it asks me follow-up questions. How do I set up Facebook ad campaign? What are some best practices for creating Facebook ads for affiliate marketing? So I can even click get images. I can literally interact this as my personal coach for Facebook ads. Look at this. It gives me an actual example of Facebook ads. People usually make money with this tool not by actually providing the tool as a service, but learning new skills, and then later on either become affiliate marketers or sell that skill via Fiverr or Upwork as a freelancer. You can literally learn how to become an SEO expert and then sell this service for like $500 to $1,000 a month to a client, let's say a dentist or chiropractor, any type of business that needs an SEO audit. Next on our list it's called Whisk. And usually people pay hundreds of dollars to use the same functionality that Google gives you for free. This is specifically for designing. Instead of having to describe with long prompts to the AI what you need to be completed, you have 3 sections: a subject, a scene, and a style. For a subject to be a coffee cup, let's say. Here is my coffee cup. I just uploaded it, right? Then for the scene, I'm going to upload coffee interior or cafe. This is something like Starbucks, but not. This looks more stylish. So now it's analyzing the image. And finally, for the style, I'm going to use a watercolor, let's say painting. And here's my reference. Now what Whisk is going to do, it combines all three images and it creates a completely new output with this style watercolor image with a coffee cup in a coffee scene. So let's hit enter and see the results. Check it out, guys. Completely stunning brand new images that are a combination of what we have. Designers use this all the time. I am, as a digital marketer, use this. You can use it for your blog posts, for your YouTube videos, or even for your affiliate marketing content. Or I have a friend of mine, he's writing children books with stories. He's using this to sketch all the scenes in his books. Guys, our next tool is called Circle to Search. This is still experimental tool and it only works on Android phones and on some web browsers if you have the right extension. But what it does is revolutionary for marketers because it allows you to highlight, circle any object on your phone and Google tells you what it is and how to buy it. For example, look at this dog. Like this is a video on TikTok, a dog with funny blue goggles. You circle this and Google immediately gives you results, where to find them, how much they cost, the same goggles, and how you can buy them literally from just the video. You highlight the video. Let's say you're watching these plants on TikTok. You don't know what this plant is. Well, you highlight the plant and Google is going to give you exact result on what it is and how it's called, ficus, litia, whatever. This can be used for affiliate marketing or for digital marketing to research your competitors. Let's say you're watching a video of or an ad on TikTok from your competitors. Well, you highlight the ad, text or visuals, and Google tells you everything about it, where you can source the product for, let's say, if you're doing e-commerce or drop shipping. All the information you need now can be just highlighted and Google gives you all of that. And guys, before I let you go, I have a bonus tool for you. This is called promotopics.com. This is not part of Google, but it's part of making money online and starting a business, because what this tool does, it finds you, or it helps you to find a profitable topic or niche that you can create a business around, or product, either digital or physical. And as we can see here, we have statistics about specific topics. So we can either find a topic or niche ourselves, see the trend. Do we have a lot of searches? Do people buy products in this specific topic? Do we actually have enough people? But also you can select your own very niche and actually validate it. So let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to sell ebook or how to become a freelancer. Now the tool gives me some predictions. So the market demand 85 over 100, which is pretty good demand. The competition is high, but we have 150,000 monthly searches for this specific term. So ebook for how to become a freelancer. It's a niche experiencing significant rise due to the increasing popularity of remote work and gig economy. Now, what else I can see is my earnings potential. So these are rough estimates. They can be even higher or even lower. But the best part is I can see affiliate offers. So in other words, I don't even have to create my own product. I can already see products that are selling and I can just grab my affiliate link and start reselling it for a commission, which is, we see 50%, 60% in some cases, 20 bucks per sale, 55, and even 70%. The best part is this: active ads in this very same niche. So I can literally see not only the products I can be promoting, but I can also copy active ads of people already promoting this. How powerful is that? I can even see the ebooks. Look at this. So these are ads on Google search, but then I can see an actual ebook, the Ultimate Freelancers Guidebook, and I can copy the shopping link, open it on a new tab, and I can actually see it. Okay, this is the actual book that people are selling. So why? And that's the actual book that people are selling. So why I'm showing you promotopics.com? Well, in the beginning of this video, we saw that even Google Gemini told us that the niche you are in is one of the most important things. Niche research. We have AI Business Coach, which is going to actually help us to create our product, asking it questions. What is the best way to promote this niche? Who is the ideal targeted audience? What content should I create first? It actually can generate logo for this niche, social media banners, design a Facebook ad, create a digital product ebook cover. It can actually create a cover for our book. But final part, this is not, oh, I know this tool is mind-blowing. And by the way, guys, I am behind this tool. I mean, with my 15 years of experience, I finally participated and actually became a co-founder of a tool that helps anyone to start an online business from scratch without any experience. So the best part about the tool is this. I mean, they're all good parts, but AI strategy suggestions, but this is my favorite. It gives you 4-week action plan. Do this first week, second week, do this, third week, do this, and fourth week, do this. So all these are instructions. And then it gives you products you can create. These are the products you can create. It gives you traffic playbook, which is how to promote it, where to promote it, LinkedIn, SEO, YouTube, niche online communities, and monetization methods, how you can actually make money with this. Use the Google AI tools as well. They're very powerful. And by the way, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite tool and have you used it yet. Like the video if you like the information so far, and I'll meet you in my next video. Cheers.